How to write setup.py to include a Git repository as a dependency. I am trying to write setup.py for my package. My package needs to specify a dependency on another Git repository. This is what I have so far. When I run, I get could not find a version that satisfies the requirements imprivatilib equals 0.1.0 from analyze, from versions, no matching distribution found for some privatilib equals 0.1.0 from analyze. What am I doing wrong?
Note, this answer is now outdated. Have a look at this answer for up-to-date instructions, this URL. You can find the right way to do it here. The key is not to give a link to a Git repository, but a link to a tarball. GitHub creates a tarball of the master branch for you if you append /tarball/master as shown above.
Note, this answer is now outdated. Have a look at this answer for up-to-date instructions, this URL. After digging through the pip issue 3939 link by it muon in the comments above and then the pep 508 specification, I found success getting my private repo dependency to install via setup.py using this specification pattern and install _ requires, no more dependency _ links. The @v1.1 indicates the release tag created on GitHub and could be replaced with a branch, commit, or different type of tag.
This answer has been updated regularly as Python has evolved over the years. Scroll to the bottom for the most current answer, or read through to see how this has evolved. Unfortunately, the other answer does not work with private repositories, which is one of the most common use cases for this. I eventually did get it working with a setup.py file that looks like this, now deprecated, method. Newer versions of pip make this even easier by removing the need to use dependency _ links. However, with the very latest pip you'll run into issues with the egg format handler. This is because while the egg is ignored, pip is now doing direct URL matching and will consider two URLs, one with the egg fragment and the other without, to be completely different versions even if they point to the same package. As such, it's best to leave any egg fragments off. June 2021, setup.py. So, the best way, current to June 2021, to add a dependency from GitHub to your setup.py that will work with public and private repositories. February 2022, setup.cfg. Apparently setup.py is being deprecated, although my guess is it'll be around for a while, and setup.cfg is the new thing. June 16, 2022, pyproject.toml. Setup.cfg is already pre-deprecated, as setuptools now has experimental support for pyproject.toml files. This is the future, but since this is still experimental, it should not be used in real projects for now. Even though setup.cfg is on its way out, you should use it for a declarative format, otherwise setup.py is still the way to go. This answer will be updated when setuptools has stabilized their support of the new standard. January 4, 2023, pyproject.toml. It is now possible to define all of your dependencies in pyproject.toml. Other options such as setup.cfg still work.
A more general answer: to get the information from the requirements.txt file I do.
If you want to simulate the sequence